This is a video chart for CMC Metals, stock ticker CMB.V, brought to you by allpennystocks.com and baystreet.ca, with technical analysis from 123learntotrade.com. Right now we're taking a look at the 15-minute chart of CMB.V, and we can see that for the past month or so, the stock has basically been moving sideways. We have two areas of support and resistance, the first one being an area of support around the 16-cent area, which I just added to the chart, and the second one being an area of resistance around the 19-cent area. We can see that currently price is at the 19-cent area, and we've seen a few little volume spikes come into the picture, such as this one that we saw on Friday, and that has driven price back up from the 16-cent area all the way to the 19-cent area. So this is a slightly thinner traded stock, and we can see that volume is spread across the past month or so very scarcely. However, when we do see volume come into the picture, this stock does subsequently move up in price pretty quickly. So just a small amount of volume, around 25 or 50,000 shares, could make this stock break out of the current price channel that it's in. Let's zoom out and take a look at the daily chart to get a better feel for where the stock has been and where it may head in the future. And we can see that the two lines that we just drew on the 15-minute chart transferred over the daily chart, and they are still in effect on the daily chart. Basically, all of these areas are very critical to the stock, and the only other area that I like to talk about on the daily chart is up here on the 25-cent area. We have a strong area of resistance. We can see that back on February 18th, we had a very high spike in volume, all the way up to about 500,000 shares per day, and price moved up very quickly on that day, all the way up to the 25-cent area. So if we see a similar spike in volume, we could see the stock move directly up to that area once again from the 19-cent area, which would be a pretty substantial move for this stock. However, in the near future, it looks like the stock is going to continue to bounce back and forth within this price channel, basically from the 16-cent area to the 19-cent area. Let's zoom out one more time. We're going to take a look at the weekly chart, just to kind of get a feel for any other areas that may exist. And we can see in the weekly chart that basically the same thing we talked about on the 15-minute and the daily chart is valid. Price basically is moving between the 16-cent area and the 19-cent area, and we can see that our high is up around the 25-cent area. So those are the key areas I would look to place trades. And once again, we can see that any spike in volume that comes into the picture, anything over 100,000 shares, really causes the stock to move pretty quickly. This is weekly volume that we're looking at, and we can see that these two spikes right here cause price to move up pretty quickly. And we also have a spike back here on the 19th that once again causes price to move up very quickly. So let's go back to the daily chart real quick and just talk a little bit more about the volume for the stock. In general, this is a very thinly traded stock. We see about 10 to 20,000 shares per day on average. However, when we do see a little bit of volume come into the picture, we definitely do have the potential to get into some great positions here. And most of the positions that I would look for would be based off of the 16-cent area. We can see that price has been respecting that area for the past several months now, and is continuing to do so as recently as just last Thursday. So again, that 16-cent area should be a very critical area to watch. As for an upside area to watch, I would keep an eye on the 25-cent area as well as the 19-cent area. Any breaks above those areas could be a very bullish sign. I'd also keep an eye on this area right here, which is around 21 cents. So if we break through those areas and we see rising volume, that could be a very bullish sign for this. And we likely need to see about at least 10,000 to 20,000 shares per 15-minute bar, or about 100,000 shares per day in order to see price break out of these two areas. So once again, this is a video chart for CMC Metals, stock ticker CMB.V, brought to you by allpennystocks.com and baystreet.ca, with technical analysis from 123learntotrade.com. If you have any questions about this video chart or any of the other video charts you've seen on our websites, feel free to stop by 123learntotrade.com. I offer a 60-lesson-long video course that outlines all of the trading techniques that I've outlined in these videos. As always, please remember that these were only 123learntotrade.com's interpretations of CMC Metals stock chart. Investors are always encouraged to do their own due diligence and consult with their financial advisor prior to placing any trades. Past performance is not indicative of future results.